Let's visually break down some images so they're less intimidating. These are obviously very detailed images. They're detailed drawings, advanced drawings, but we want to see them for what they are, not for, the final effect of, finished quality work. This is a box. It's got vertical divisions. It's got a bit extruded here. It's got these diagonals. Other than that, it has vertical textures for the windows. Right. You see the pattern. All of them are boxes. All of them have either horizontal or vertical windows. All of them have the same vertical pattern on windows. Let's look at the entourage. The entourage is made to be a foreground, so it intentionally overlaps on top of the building. And you have a part of the street here. And then you've got the street itself, which has a reflection. Again, a graphics trick to make the image look more impressive. Then you have a little building behind it. Right. Some of these buildings have entourage which is organic. Trees. They form these lines, so they compensate, and they kind of put a positive emphasis on the volume, right? The trees here form like a background. And the reflection here is stronger, just to get a bit more contrast and have like an area where the person looking at this drawing is tempted to look first, right? Contrast. Here would have worked with contrast as well. Cool, so this is just a breakdown of the images, right? The final images, the final drawings that you see here. Hope you learned something from this, and take care and draw nicely.